If your Canon printer is displaying error code 502SO2, it typically points to a hardware issue, often related to the scanner unit or printhead alignment in multifunction printers, like the PIXMA G or TR series. This error suggests the scanner's line sensor or carriage unit is malfunctioning, preventing proper operation. Start by powering off the printer, unplugging it for 5 minutes, and restarting it to reset the system. Ensure the printer is on a flat, stable surface, as uneven placement can misalign internal components. Open the scanner lid and check for any obstructions, like paper scraps or debris, around the scanner glass or carriage. Gently clean the glass and white calibration strip with a lint-free cloth and glass cleaner. Next, verify the printhead is properly seated. Lift the top cover, remove and reinsert the printhead firmly, and run a cleaning cycle via the printer's maintenance menu. Update the firmware and drivers from Canon's official website, support. USA, Canon.com to rule out software glitches. If the error persists, the scanner unit or mainboard may be faulty, requiring professional servicing contact. Canon at 1T-26V2-2666 or check warranty status at mycanon.com. What's your printer model, and does the error appear during printing or scanning?